Elon Musk's plan to settle humans on Mars doesn't feel any less than a fictional or science fiction story. The owner of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk, has a clear and firm plan that by 2050 he will build a complete human city on Mars where 1 million people will be able to live, that too without depending on Earth. People used to make fun of this enormous plan, but when NASA joined SpaceX's Mars mission, people finally started believing it. Because for many years, SpaceX has made huge progress in rocket technology. As we know, Elon Musk's company Tesla is also an expert in building electric autopilot cars. In the same way, such advanced technology has been used in SpaceX rockets that allows them to reach space using minimum fuel. Mars, which is 60 to million kilometers away from Earth, requires an extremely powerful spaceship to reach. For this purpose, the Starship is being built. According to Elon Musk, the same type of battery used in Tesla will operate this ship, meaning it will use very little fuel. Reaching Mars may be possible, but the main question is, how will a human colony on Mars be possible? Why do Elon Musk and NASA want to leave this green Earth and settle humans on the barren land of Mars? There is no oxygen to breathe, no food or water, and in the deadly cold of -100 degrees Celsius, there is no place to hide. When none of the basic facilities for human survival exist, then how will a human colony on Mars be possible? These are exactly the questions whose answers you will learn in this video. First, let's talk about why humans even need to go to Mars when Earth has all the natural facilities for life. For centuries, all research related to our planet's health has shown negative results. Scientists say that ever since humans began using fossil fuels, petrol and gas, Earth's temperature has been rising continuously. And a time will come when this temperature becomes so high that it will be impossible for any living creature to survive on Earth. According to a survey, every 10 years, the Earth's average temperature rises by 0.16 degrees Celsius, which means if this continues, then 150 years from now, humans won't be able to live in today's hot regions. Because of rising temperatures, glaciers are melting rapidly, increasing chances of floods, cyclones, and tsunamis. It's not just fuel usage. This pollution has also damaged the ozone layer, the same layer that protects us from harmful solar rays. That layer is slowly getting weaker, so on one side we have heat caused by pollution, and on the other side, deadly solar radiations. Scientists have confirmed one thing: one day Earth will no longer remain a habitable planet. And this is the reason why humans are searching for another home, another planet. But why only Mars? There are many planets in our solar system. Our neighboring planets are Venus and Mars. Venus is far closer to Earth than Mars, but we cannot go there because Venus has everything we are trying to escape: extreme heat. Venus is so hot it can melt iron. Our other neighbor is Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars does not have Venus-like heat, but instead an extreme cold much worse than Earth's polar regions. Not only the cold, Mars has no oxygen and no water. Not even the basic facilities required for human survival. Despite knowing all this, what is the plan that NASA and Elon Musk have that can help humans survive on Mars? According to Musk, in 2030, the first small group of humans will be sent to Mars. This group will carry everything needed to survive for at least 2 years: food, water, oxygen, and pressurized shelter. But even before humans arrive, a protective shelter must be built because dangerous dust storms on Mars can harm humans. This protective center will be built using Martian soil itself. But who will build this shelter when no humans are there? Surprisingly, Mars robots will build these shelters. These are special AI robots that will be sent before humans. These robots can work individually and also join together when needed. They will be much faster than human workers and equipped with cameras, sensors, digging tools, and 3D printing units. Running on solar energy, these robots will first search for a location with the right type of soil. When they find it, they will set up their base there. The digging robots will collect soil, small robots will carry it to the refining units, and then refined soil will be taken to the 3D printer unit, which will print the shelter layer by layer. This process will continue for months and can also be monitored from Earth. After the shelters are complete, stage 2 will begin. Now for the first time, a group of humans will land on Mars. Since they will be landing for the first time, they will carry a lot of equipment. The Mars robots will welcome the humans, carry their luggage from the landing site to the base unit, and place small units inside the center that will automatically inflate. Because Martian atmospheric pressure is extremely low, humans will live inside these pressurized units where Earth-like pressure will be artificially created. All units will be connected together, and solar farms will be installed to generate electricity. If someone wants to exit the unit, a special airlock cabin will first attach to the door so that the inside pressure remains stable. Next, a greenhouse will be built to grow vegetation. According to scientists, at first only potatoes and beans can be grown on Mars. As plants grow, they will release something extremely important for Mars: oxygen. But this amount of oxygen won't be enough. So soon Mars will need a system to produce oxygen artificially. Mars rover has already experimented with this. A special solar-powered device will extract carbon dioxide from Mars' atmosphere, apply heat and electrical current, and separate oxygen from CO. That oxygen will then be stored, meaning humans will be able to make oxygen on Mars. Food will be available, even if only to crops. Water will also be made by melting the frozen underground ice discovered by Mars rovers. In short, humans sent to Mars will be able to survive without Earth's help and also return to Earth if needed. But will it always be like this? Will people never be able to leave their cabins? If life on Mars will be like this, then what's the point of going there? Scientists don't have a perfect solution, but they believe. If Mars' temperature can be increased, then maybe after 100 to 200 years Mars can become green like Earth. Some ideas are so shocking that it's hard to believe them. A student named Margarita Marinova suggests building factories on Mars using robots. These factories will constantly release smoke into the atmosphere, causing global warming on Mars, just like Earth. Elon Musk has another idea, using nuclear weapons on Mars. He says if 10,000 nuclear missiles are fired on Mars, its ice caps will melt and the temperature will rise, making Mars habitable faster. NASA's plan is that in 2036, the first small human group will go and conduct experiments. Then every 2 years, when Earth and Mars come closer, more people will be sent. By 2050, around 1 million people will be living in pressurized habitats on Mars. At the same time, efforts will continue to increase Mars' temperature. They believe that with the help of solar energy, in about 200 years, Mars can be transformed into an Earth-like planet. We hope you will like and share this video. Thank you for your loving comments. See you in the next amazing video.